Have you ever wondered what a vapor honing machine can do for you? In this video, we're going to answer that question. Vapor honing is a surface refinishing process that combines water, compressed air, and abrasives to clean and restore surfaces. It is also a great restoration tool. Many cars and motorcycles are being completely restored by using a vapor honing machine. Now the next question you're asking is, who is it for? Generally, anyone building and turning wrenches can benefit from using a vapor honing system. A business that invests in vapor honing can grow because cleaning parts will be faster than generic dry blasting machines. Our automated wet blasting machines are also a great fit. You can focus on another task while the automated machine does the work for you. What if you want to do it as a hobby? A vapor honing machine is great for DIY projects at home. If you're restoring a vintage motorcycle, the vapor honing system can make your parts look incredible. So what can you do with a vapor honing machine? Vapor honing is a great restoration tool for both hobbyists and businesses. This process can clean and restore motorcycles and engine components effectively. You can also use the machine to make some extra money for restoring parts. The vapor honing system is a handy tool and is growing rapidly. To get yours today, please call us at 828-202-5563. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.